Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the okay? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the review of the Anastasia Soft Glam Palette. Now this palette's been going around like an STD, just kidding. This palette's been going around on YouTube and almost everybody's talking about it, but I wanted to let you guys know how I also felt about it. It's fairly new, but people are going crazy. So yeah, let's get right into this palette. So this is an everyday to night palette with 14 shades including essential mattes and glam shimmers. Une palette to English is not that is French. Okay, so you guys, so the box is like, you know, cute or whatever, but oh shit, this feels like carpet. Like, I don't know how to explain it. This is so, I haven't even opened, I don't even want to touch this. Oh my gosh, girl, your hand's clean. Like, I don't even want to touch it. Honestly, I would keep this in the box because this material, like, you can't just wipe off. This will get dirty. So make sure you keep it in the box if you're not using it, if you still want it to look really nice. To open it up, so it has the mirror right here, and then it has 14 shades. I believe 7 are mattes, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these shades for you. Wow, I'm ashy. I need to find a non-ashy spot. Okay, so this is Tempera. So it's kind of like a taupey, nice, soft, and it's very pigmented. It's just like a powdery taupe, pretty much. This is Glistening, and this is a nice soft gold. I really like how pigmented all these colors are. So this, there's a shade in here called Orange Soda. I'm about to swatch it right now. This is Orange Soda. Again, this is like very powdery, and all the colors are pigmented. I'm trying my best not to ruin my nails, so I'm like going in there really lightly. But I really do like all these colors, and I really hope that they appear on my eyelids really pretty, because for darker skinned girls like moi, certain colors just don't show really nicely on us, so I'm just hoping that this does. And then there's Rose Pink, which is like a rose gold, and no fallout, you guys, no fallouts. Hey, but we're gonna try again to see if there's fallout when we put it on the lids. Ooh, baby, I love the way every day. Oh, yeah. Okay, so there's that. There's Sultry. Oh, bitch. I like this one. This is Bronze. Bronze is like a softer feeling trophy wife. Mulberry. Ooh, I like this. That's nice. I might do something with these two colors. And then the second row is Dusty Rose. It's like a soft burgundy, like a lighter burgundy. And this is Fairy. Okay, yeah, that is highly pigmented. God damn! This is Burnt Orange. I like that color too. That's really pretty. This is Sienna. Ooh, this is a nice little orange. It's like a dark orange, like a desert dust orange. This is Rustic, which is a brown, which will appear brown on like lighter skin tones, and then like nude for us. Cyprus, whatever. It's C-Y-P-R-U-S, however you want to pronounce that. Umber, and this is like a nice brown. Can't see it because. And this is Noir, and that's really pigmented. So I'm excited to try all these colors. I've been hearing nothing but positive feedback. It does come with I'm trying not to mess this up. Bruh, and I messed it up. Yeah, keep it in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and use their brush to apply this. I'm gonna try Sienna. So I dipped it into the eyeshadow. Damn! Guys, look what I did! I'm gonna cry. I dipped into Sienna, and that's the powder that's coming out. So there's never gonna be a palette that's not gonna have fallout, but they are definitely doing a better job with the fallout. And before I read the review on the Anastasia, is it the Subculture? I think that's the one. And a lot of people were saying there was a lot of fallout, so like not people buy it. So I didn't try it. So I think this is an improvement from what I've seen. But yeah, I don't think I'm quite a fan of this brush, only because it's super hard. So I don't know too much about using this brush, and that's probably what it's stippling the powder, so it's adding more fallout. But I'm going in with Mulberry, and I'm using that to add to the transition color. Well, I really do like this palette though. The colors are very, very pigmented. Okay, so I was gonna do something rose gold-ish, but I know I've done that like several times. So what I'm gonna do is probably go in with Fairy, and that's this color right here. And when I fell in love with this little gold color, I was like, I have to put that on my eyes. That's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna tap in here. And I think the shimmer colors don't have as much fallout as the matte colors, but bitch, this is so beautiful. This is really nice. Do you see how pigmented this is? I'm literally, right? I'm literally just tapping into it. The matte colors are really nice, but the shimmer colors are just wowing me right now. All right, now I think one more color that I'm gonna dive into. Dive in, So I'm gonna use the black, which is Noir. And I'm just gonna use this black to just kind of deepen in this look. Again, this eyeshadow palette is great. I wouldn't use this brush. I don't like it. My favorite brush that's come out of a palette has to be the Carroty one. And this is the E31. So soft, yet so dense, and blends beautifully. And I'll link their website down below to look at their brushes. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up this look, and I'll be right back. Stronger, wiser, much better. What I thought, what you put me through. I feel like I need to take this palette to the cleaners. Okay, so I paired this eye with the Rihanna gloss, or the Fenty Gloss Bomb, with a NYX liner in the color Club Hopper. I really like this eyeshadow palette. I really like how fancy it is. I like the palette overall. I just have a little tiny bit of a problem of the fallout. I know I said before that, you know, palettes have fallout, but I just, yeah, it's just the brush that they paired with it. I wouldn't use the brush only because it does damage the powder and kind of waste it. And when you're putting it on your eyelid, it's kind of really hard. I suggest if you are going to use this palette, use a primer on your eyes, and I think it will turn out a lot more beautifully. I do like it on my skin right now. I do like the palette overall. Like, they're really pigmented. There was a bit of a fallout right here. I meant to wipe it off, but I wanted you guys to see how much fallout was coming from the actual application of it on my eyes. So I'm just gonna brush that off now. But it is easy to brush off. I don't expect a palette not to have fallout, because there is gonna be some palettes that have fallout. Like, it's just a given. The pan sizes are pretty big. This did retail for $42. If you got the shmoney, go ahead and get it. It does remind me of the Give It To Me Straight palette. Some of the shades in there are kind of very similar, so you can achieve some of the same looks. The Soft Glam has more of a shade range, and then some of the colors in the Soft Glam are a little more red than the colors here. The hype is alright, you know, like, they hyping it up. Comment down below if you guys have any questions about this palette, and I'll be sure to answer them. Make sure you guys check out the link down below, because I will list where you can get the palette from. And until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye!